Hey, welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Sorry it's been a couple weeks, but family and vacation and summer and everything. So what we're going to do today is a little quick tip on using the Molotow refill in a paintbrush to do some detail work. So what we got here is a paintbrush, a 10-0, a Molotow refill, which you could use your pen just to open it up. And these are little cups that I bought a whole bag of them, like thousands of them, from Amazon for almost nothing. They're for tattoo artists, and I got my door panels I'm going to do, and my wheels here, and a little bit of work on the dashboard. So you just take this, open it up, put a couple drops of paint in there. Oh, and then 91% alcohol. You need that for cleaning your... And then you just take your brush like you would normally paint anything. You brush it on there. Because sometimes you have to do that instead of using the pen, because the pen you can't always get into everywhere that you need to get into. And there, the door panels are done. Then I'm going to do the gear shifter here. There's a gear shifter I probably could have done with the pen, but since I had it for illustration purposes, gear shift is done. And then little detail work on the dash here. These three little knobs. And then these little doohickeys on the radio, and there's the dashboard, detailed out well, except for there's the dashboard all ready to go. And then the wheels, I'm going to paint the center caps. Pick out the lug nuts. And I do the other three wheels, and then that's the end. That's it. So hopefully I'll see you next week.